Hey everyone, Nevin here from Lean Machine to share with you a cool project that we completed during the massive renovations we made earlier in the year. For this renovation, we created a new meeting space, and every meeting space needs a table to bring the whole room together. Initially, we were going to buy a generic meeting room table, but honestly, where's the fun in that? To start with, we conducted a multi-month brainstorming project including suggestions from the floor staff to figure out how we could best design a table to show off as many of our skills as possible. We do have to admit though, there were a few moments where we thought to ourselves, is this really necessary? But sometimes you just have to do something because you can. First, we had to create the design for the table, and we think that our engineering team came up with something pretty awesome. Next, we had to make the table legs. These were router cut and bent on one of our CNC press brakes by one of our talented operators. Then we welded the seam shut and powder coated them, making it appear as if the leg was all one solid piece. Then we decided to create the feet using a couple of our many machining processes. And I mean, just look at these beautiful parts. After that was done, we had to cut the tabletop. This was a very long process in the end, but it was totally worth it. We then powder coated it before machining the rest of the table so that the Lean Machine portion of the logo was raised. And once the machining was complete, we 3D printed lettering for a portion of the logo on the table. Next, we cut and installed some red decal for the logo. Lastly, we had to assemble the table. This took a good group of staff to put together since the tabletop was just a little bit hefty. And now the final product. This was a super cool project to make and highlights many of the processes we have and what our awesome team is capable of. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with any news we have to share about new processes and fun projects that we have coming up. And we'll see you in the next one.